Hello, I'm going to show you some additional models just so you will see. Here's the reason. A model can be shown in many ways. It's a tool. You can use a tool any way you want. So one of the tools that we used were base 10 blocks, and that's what this is showing you right here. And this is the other PDF that I uploaded if you printed it. If you didn't, just watch this with me and let me show you what we're doing. So remember that these are hundreds. So if I look at this, we have 100, 200, this is 30, and then we have 1. So we're starting with 231. That's what we're starting with. So I know it can't be C. The next thing we know is they took some away because they marked them out. So we're not going to have, A is not going to be your answer choice because that was addition. Now we need to count how many they took. They did 100, and they did 110, and they did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So it looks like they took away 115, which would match this one. So D has to be your answer. So that's a way they could model it. Okay, on this one you see another number line, but this one looks a little different. I actually like this one a lot because you can see that you're starting with this first line, and so you're starting with 20. So all of these start with 20. I'm going to use some different colors so you can see. Then it goes back to 12. Now, guys, it's not taking away 12, it's going back to 12, and in between 20 and 12 is 8. So I'm actually taking away 8 right there. So where do I see take away 8? Oh, right here. So I don't think it's any of, oh, there's a take away 8 right here, so that could be it, but there's no take away 8 in this last one. Okay, then I'm going to use a different color to show this last thing, and then we hop from 12 to 8, that's taking away 4. So we did 20, take away 8, take away 4, that has to be this one. And you see how I just have to look at what is happening on each hop. That's what I like to call it. Okay, let's look at this next one. I'm going to fold this so it's kind of easier to see. Number 1. It says Fabian has 15 coins in one jar and 9 coins in another jar. He will give Logan 3 coins. Which model represents the number of coins he will have left? So he has 15 and 9. So that's 15 plus 9. That's what that is showing. And then if he gives 3, that's going to usually be takeaway, right? So this is what we're really looking for is 15 plus 9. And then taking away 3. So am I looking at this? I can tell this first one doesn't go all the way to 15. So this needs to go to 15. So that's not it. This goes to 15. This goes to 15. 15 and 15. So all those go to 15 first. So that works out. The next thing it should do is add 9. So 15 plus 9 is 24. That one works. This one works, and this one works. They all add 9. This is add 9 because it ends up at 24. That's right. But then we give 3 coins, so that means you're going to take away 3. 24 take away 3 would be 21. 24, this would be add 3. This one goes all the way back to 3. That's take away 21. That's minus 21. That's not what it asks. So I think my answer for this one is B because it matches what's happening in the problem. Now this one is more similar to what we did. Works out fine. The first thing we can see that we're doing is we're getting to 5. So we're starting with 5. All these start with 5, so that's good, right? And then we go from 5 to 10. If we go from 5 to 10, that's plus 5, isn't it? So plus 10, no. Plus 10, no. Plus 8, no. Plus 5, yes. Then we're coming back to 8, so that's minus 2. So 5 plus 5 minus 2, 5 plus 5 minus 2, that would equal 8. Is that where we ended? It is. So that's J. All right. Just wanted to go through some more options with you of how you could see a model. You might see some different kinds of models on iExcel. You might see them on tests that we have, on any other type of prep that we do, because there's just a lot of way they can show it. So you just have to see, okay, if it's getting bigger, I'm adding, and how much am I adding? If it's getting smaller, I'm subtracting, and how much am I subtracting?